Hey, breakfast. 2 fresh and big buttermilk pancakes topped with whipped butter and yummy syrup.
How does that work? Well, it does raise a family money with enough time off. Actually, it...
Jesus motherfucking Christ. Nothing but wide open lanes behind me. She had to cut across in front. Fucking douchebag. Oh, look at him. He's getting fucking back in front of those fuckers. Way to go, fucking Amazon. Not good at all. How did you manage that scene?
You have a super easy way to get tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash from your home's equity. Loan Pronto has lots of options for helping you tap into the equity in your home and get that cash that you need. According to Loan Pronto, Watchdog Foundation there. This time stating the man had posted a video to social media in which he... Right, and they can't get in and out of the seat.
Exactly right. So they're saying that's the reason we're cutting those.
God damn, people. It's fucking rain. What are you idiots doing? Ah.
Hey, yeah, we used to have to watch Miguel Tejada and Ricky Williams all the time.
People. What the fuck?
No.
Way to go, FedEx. Nice move. Refuse to accelerate, no signal, and then pull right in front of me. Yeah, I used to drive for those dipshits. Fucking brilliant. Where you going, man? It's fucking pouring rain. You gonna jump right in front of me? You see, I'm moving a hell of a lot faster than you. Goddamn asshole. I knew you were gonna do that, but now where are you gonna go? Nowhere. You're just gonna jump in front of me and then hit your brakes. Pull over, let me have a chat.